First, open your web browser and go to gmail.com. Sign into your Google account if you're not already signed in. Next, click your profile icon in the top right corner. Then select Manage your Google account. This will open your Google account settings. From the left-hand menu, click Security and Sign In. Scroll down to the Your Linked Apps section, then click See All Linked Apps. Here, you'll see all the websites and apps connected to your Google account. Click the website or app you want to remove. Click Delete All. Then, a dialog box will appear. Click Confirm. That's it. The selected website or app will no longer have access to your Google account. That's it. You've successfully removed your Google account from the selected website or app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.